Needed ingredients: 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1 green apple, spinach, 3 handful. Directions: first of all, you should wash the ingredients. Peel the carrots and apple and remove the apple seeds. Put the ingredients in a blender and blend them. As simple as that. How to consume this drink. It is recommended to consume this drink every morning, on an empty stomach. Due to the minerals it possesses, this drink can significantly lower your sugar levels and your blood pressure. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.